There are a lot of euphemisms used in medicine. I find euphemisms when it comes to our health to be patronizing. I think my patients can handle the truth, so I don't intentionally soften my words to ease a diagnosis. As an example, this is a common experience for me as a practitioner. A typical patient might say to me, "My doctor says the pain in my back and knees is wear and tear, but my physio says it's arthritis." I hear this sort of comment a lot. Wear and tear is arthritis. It's a euphemism, I tell them. It sounds nicer, but it confuses people. Another very common euphemism is to call a neck hump a buffalo hump. Now, I prefer neck hump myself, but these two terms do mean the same thing, except the hump on an actual buffalo consists of about 70 pounds of muscle used to move snow if that buffalo is a North American bison. The neck humps on humans, if due to a structural change in the neck, consists of fatty tissue, not muscle. So the correct euphemism for neck hump is buffalo hump, but it's not a dowager's hump. These are very different. The term dowager is from the 14th century, meaning a widow with a dowry. It refers to the exaggerated thoracic curve resulting from the disease osteoporosis. A person with osteoporosis has weak bones. If you think of bone a little bit like honeycomb with a tight lattice structure, osteoporosis is the breakdown of that structural lattice, and this weaker bone can develop vertebral fractures. The fractured bones usually cause a wedge-shaped deformity, causing a person to lose height with an unmistakable dowager's appearance. Here is a picture of a past patient of mine with osteoporosis and the typical appearance of a dowager's hump, or the correct term, thoracic hyperkyphosis. So a kyphosis is the term for a normal outward curve of the mid-back, and a hyperkyphosis is an exaggeration of that curve. In other words, a dowager's hump is not the same as a neck hump. Using medical euphemisms causes confusion, and for that reason, I never like to use them. A neck hump is a neck hump is a neck hump. Let's call it what it is.